Most local AI tools die at installation. Terminal commands, dependency errors, incompatible drivers, and in the end, nothing works. Today, I'm going to show you an app to help you install apps like OpenClaw, video generators, audio tools, and AI agents without touching a single line of code, and how to filter exactly what's compatible with your system. Okay, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to see this new update of Pinokio. This is Pinokio version number 7. I have a video talking about this previous update, actually 2 versions before, which is number 5. You can click here to see more. So here I already have it opened, and as we can see, nothing has changed. I see it has the same interface, the same UI. The only thing that I see different here is that they changed the QR codes to open here on top. So we don't have, we no longer have it visible on the right side as we have it in the previous version. Before, all the applications would appear as you see them in the website as soon as you open the app. So all the apps they were distributed within the same homepage as soon as you open the application. And here we also see the option to install applications. Here, I think is the same as before. Now they changed the button to explore. I think before it was called community. And the same as the previous version, you have to navigate all the apps to know which ones you are looking for because they don't have any categories. And here in Pinokio, the another advantage is that you can install applications, whether for generating videos, audio. There are many applications also for generating text to speech. So, for example, we have this Qwen 3 TTS, and even we have an OCR for text recognition. So, all these apps you can easily install. And another thing I found is this latest button here on the top. So when you click it, you will see all the latest apps shared by the community here in Pinokio. Okay, and before we continue, if you generate videos, audio, or even music, I have the different discounts in different platforms at the description of this video. I also have, if you use, for example, ComfyUI, I have one of the platforms that you can use it easily on the cloud. So check out the descriptions at the bottom of this video. Okay, let's continue. We also have this option to filter the list of apps. So for example, if you have a Nvidia graphic card, you can select here the option of your GPU, also AMD or Apple. We also have here if you click here in the type of app, we have also the app as itself, and also you can install extensions within the apps as well as the operating system that you have. Okay, so we'll just browse, see what apps they have. So for example, here we see this N8N, which is also to create agents. And we have OpenClaw here, this version, aka CloudBot. So if we want to install, we simply click on the install button here on top, and we simply just click here, install server, and it's going to pop up this window. So we just simply click on download, and it will start downloading all the dependencies and all the requirements from GitHub most of the times. So here, as we can see, Pinokio, it's in charge of downloading and installing all these requirements. So after about 15 minutes, I already have it here installed. So these are the apps that I already have in my computer. So we just simply click here in OpenClaw. And to start, we simply just click here on a start button on the top. So we click and it'll start to load the model and all the dependencies in your computer. After about 30 seconds, I already have it here opened. So it opened a browser window with the UI. So here we see all the features that OpenClaw has. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how to use it. But I will prepare more videos about how to use it in future videos. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you get notifications on my new videos. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to create logos using AI. Click here to watch more. See you guys next time. Bye bye.